In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find duplicate entries in Microsoft Excel if you have a spreadsheet with repeated names, values, IDs, or any other entries. Excel makes it very easy to check how many times a value appears in a column. This is especially helpful when you're cleaning up data, reviewing lists, or trying to spot repeated records quickly. To begin, open the Excel file where you want to find duplicate entries. Make sure you can clearly see the column that contains the data you want to check. In this example, the formula will look at column A, so this works well if your list is stored there. If your data is in a different column, you would simply adjust the formula to match that column instead. Next, click on the cell where you want the result to appear. This should usually be a blank cell beside the entry you want to check so your sheet stays organized and easy to read. In that result cell, type this formula equals COUNTF, open parenthesis, a colon A, comma, and then the cell you want to check followed by a closing parenthesis. In a practical example, if you want to check the value in cell A2, the formula would be equals COUNTF, open parenthesis, a colon A, comma, A2 close parenthesis. Once you press enter, Excel will return a number. That number tells you how many times the value from that referenced cell appears in the entire column. So if the result is 1, that means the entry appears only once and is not duplicated. If the result is 2 or more, that means the entry has duplicates somewhere in that column. After that, you can use the same formula for other cells you want to check. Just copy the formula into another result cell and change the cell reference to match the item you want to analyze. For example, if you want to check the next row, replace A2 with A3. This allows you to quickly work through your list and identify which entries appear more than once. A useful tip here is to keep your results column next to your data, because that makes it much easier to scan through the duplicate counts at a glance. It also helps reduce errors when you're updating the cell reference for each row. And that's it. That's how to find duplicate entries in Microsoft Excel using the COUNTF formula.